Good morning, everyone. Sun with face. Welcome back to my Azerbaijan 7 days itinerary, day 4. Today, we're wrapping up our incredible journey in the charming village of Lahej and heading back to Ismail city. It's been an amazing experience exploring the rich history, traditional craftsmanship, and breathtaking landscapes of Lahej. But the adventure doesn't stop here. We're now setting our sights on the beautiful city of Gabala. Known for its stunning natural beauty, Gabala is a perfect blend of ancient history and modern attractions. From lush forests and majestic mountains to historical landmarks and exciting activities, there's so much to see and do. Stay tuned as we take you along on this exciting journey from Ismail to Gabala. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more travel adventures. Let's start our sightseeing with the first sight of the Yeddi Gozel Waterfall, also known as the Seven Beauties Waterfall. Now I am heading towards the beautiful waterfall. The Yeddi Gozel Waterfall, also known as the Seven Beauties Waterfall, is a stunning natural attraction located near Gabala. Nestled amidst the lush forests and towering mountains of the Greater Caucasus, this waterfall is named after a local legend of 7 beautiful sisters. The waterfall cascades down in 7 stages, creating a spectacular sight, especially in the spring and summer when the snow melt feeds the streams. To reach the waterfall, you'll need to hike through a scenic trail, which provides an opportunity to immerse yourself in the region's pristine nature. Along the way, you can witness thick vegetation, rugged cliffs, and hear the roaring sounds of the waterfall as you get closer. Facilities such as staircases and viewing platforms have been installed to enhance the accessibility and experience for tourists. The cool, misty air and the refreshing environment make it a popular retreat during the warmer months. After our refreshing visit to the Yeddi Gozel Waterfall, let's explore the other gem in Gabala, Nohur Lake. This serene lake is located just a few kilometers east of Gabala city and is surrounded by the lush forests and high mountains of the Greater Caucasus. Nohur Lake is known for its crystal-clear waters that reflect the surrounding mountains and greenery, creating a picturesque and tranquil setting. While swimming is not allowed, you can enjoy fishing, boating, and taking leisurely walks along the shore. The peaceful atmosphere makes it a perfect spot for relaxation and nature photography. There are cafes and restaurants around the lake where you can savor delicious Azerbaijani dishes while enjoying the stunning views. Nohur Lake is a must-visit for anyone looking to experience the natural beauty of Azerbaijan. Stay tuned as we explore more of Gabala's wonders. Let's move to Tufandag Mountain Resort, our next destination. Tufandag Mountain Resort in Gabala is a premier destination for both winter and summer activities. We are now at Gabala. Gabala, also known as Kabala, is a beautiful city in northern Azerbaijan, rich in history and natural beauty. Tufandag Mountain Resort is a perfect destination for adventure seekers and nature lovers alike. Tufandag offers excellent slopes for skiing and snowboarding, catering to all skill levels. The resort provides equipment rentals and ski schools for beginners. Experience the thrill of riding a snowmobile through the snowy landscapes. Fun activities for families and kids to enjoy the snow. Let's explore the Gabala cable car ride, one of the highlights of visiting Gabala, offering breathtaking views and an unforgettable experience. The cable car is located at the Tufandag Mountain Resort, a popular destination for both winter and summer activities. The ride spans approximately 6 kilometers and reaches heights of 1,600 to 1,900 meters, making it one of the longest cable car rides in the world. The cable car ride offers stunning panoramic views of the Caucasus Mountains and the lush forests below. It's divided into multiple levels, each with its own stations, where you can stop, relax, and enjoy the scenery. The entire journey can take around 2 to 3 hours, depending on how long you spend at each station. Each station is equipped with viewpoints, cafes, and rest areas, allowing you to take in the beautiful surroundings at your own pace. During the winter months, the cable car takes you to the snow-covered slopes of Tufandag, where you can enjoy skiing, snowboarding, and other winter sports. In the summer, the cable car ride provides access to hiking trails, mountain biking routes, and other outdoor activities. During the winter months, the tourist can sit in the open air to enjoy the scenic views while keep themselves hot these fire chimneys. Let's start descending in the cable car, taking in the breathtaking views as we glide down to the ground station. The journey offers a unique perspective of the lush forests, rugged mountains, and the serene beauty of Gabala. It's a perfect way to wrap up our adventure at Tufandag Mountain Resort. Quad bike tours at Tufandag Mountain Resort are an exhilarating way to explore the rugged terrain and enjoy the stunning views of the Greater Caucasus Mountains. The quad bike tours offer an exciting and adrenaline-filled experience, taking you along the edge of the river bed to the village of Duruja. These tours allow you to access areas that are otherwise unreachable by car, providing breathtaking views of the mountains. As we bid farewell to the stunning Tufandag Mountain Resort, let's take a moment to reflect on the incredible experiences we've had. From the thrilling quad bike tours and scenic cable car rides to the serene beauty of the surrounding mountains, Tufandag has truly been a memorable adventure. As we head back down to the city, we can look forward to our next destination that may be the Nij village and the new experiences that await us. This is the Gabala Amusement Park, a prominent attraction in Gabala, Azerbaijan, and is regarded as the largest amusement park in the South Caucasus region. It is best for kids, so we will not explore it from inside. Let's move to the Nij village. Nij village is a fascinating destination located just over 20 kilometers southwest of Gabala. This village is home to the largest population of Udi people, a Christian ethnic group directly descended from one of the main tribes of Caucasian Albania, an ancient state that existed from about 3 BC to 8 AD. The village is mentioned by ancient Greek authors and has a rich history that is reflected in its architecture and cultural practices. We have reached Kotari Church. This beautifully restored 17th century Albanian church is a must-visit. It is shaded by magnificent plane trees and offers a glimpse into the rich religious history of the Udi community. The church is a testament to the rich history and religious heritage of the Udi community. It stands as a symbol of the enduring Christian traditions in the region. Inside video capturing is not allowed, so I would not be able to show the church from inside. Let's explore the Azerbaijan Udi Hearth Historical Ethnographic Park and Museum. The Azerbaijan Udi Hearth Historical Ethnographic Park and Museum is a significant cultural and historical site located in Nij village, Gabala. This park and museum are dedicated to preserving and showcasing the rich heritage of the Udi people, who are descendants of the ancient Caucasian Albanians. This is the museum. Features a variety of exhibits that highlight the traditional lifestyle, customs, and crafts of the Udi people. Visitors can learn about their unique language, religious practices, and historical significance. The park and museum house numerous artifacts, including traditional clothing, tools, and household items that provide insight into the daily lives of the Udi community. The site offers educational programs and guided tours that help visitors understand the cultural and historical context of the Udi people and their contributions to Azerbaijan's heritage. The museum is 1.5 hectares in area and has rock paintings, pottery, household items, jewelry, weapons, and coins belong to the ancient times of Azerbaijan. In this museum, there are more than 2,000 different archaeological and architectural monuments, mounds, seats of ancient settlements, burial places dating back to thousands of years ago. There is an 18th century tandoor, 2 underground passages belonging to the 10th and 15th centuries. Besides these, old houses, portable tents made of animal skins, stone and straw houses with domes, an old smithy, a pottery workshop, and a thresher can be found. All these can be touched and photographed. The buildings within the park are designed to reflect traditional Udi architecture, providing an authentic and immersive experience for visitors. The park is set in a picturesque location, surrounded by the natural beauty of Nij village. The serene environment adds to the overall experience, making it a peaceful and educational destination. Visiting the Azerbaijan Udi Hearth Historical Ethnographic Park and Museum is a wonderful way to explore the rich cultural heritage of the Udi people and gain a deeper appreciation for their unique traditions and history. The Azerbaijan Udi Hearth Historical Ethnographic Park and Museum in Nij village is a significant cultural site that celebrates the heritage of the Udi people. One of the notable features of the park is the display of flags from different countries. These flags symbolize the diverse connections and the international recognition of the Udi community's cultural heritage. The presence of these flags highlights the global interest in preserving and understanding the unique traditions and history of the Udi people. It also reflects the park's role in fostering cultural exchange and promoting awareness of the Udi heritage on an international scale. Visiting the park, you can see these flags proudly displayed, adding to the vibrant and welcoming atmosphere of the site. It's a testament to the Udi community's enduring legacy and their contributions to the cultural mosaic of Azerbaijan. The park is adorned with beautiful flowers and well-maintained gardens, creating a serene and picturesque environment for visitors. The park features a diverse array of flowers, including vibrant roses, tulips, and seasonal blooms that add color and charm to the surroundings. The gardens are thoughtfully designed and landscaped, providing a peaceful setting for visitors to relax and enjoy the natural beauty. There are well-maintained walking paths throughout the park, allowing visitors to take leisurely strolls and appreciate the floral displays. As we have left Gabala and headed towards Sheki, let's look forward to exploring its many attractions, including the famous Sheki Khan's Palace, the historic caravanserais, and the charming old town. Safe travels, and let's get ready to discover the wonders of Sheki in my next video. We have reached Sheki. Let's go and check into our hostel and need to take rest after a hectic day. Goodbye, see you in my next video on attractions of Sheki.